guys, good evening. Please join us to celebrate New Year's Eve as we welcome 2026. Okay guys, tapos na kami mag-picture and kakain na kami. Hi guys, so tapos na kaming mag-dinner and tapos na rin kaming mag-look. Inano na rin namin, naglinis na rin kami na para makapag-start naman kami ng games ngayon. So okay, ang first game namin ay Master Balloon.
Set, go. Okay. Wait.
Go.
Go.
Faster!
Stop.
I take a picture kung sino mas malaki. Oh, panalo si Dane Dane.
Picture.
Panalo si Dane Dane.
Set, go. Stop.
Tapos na?
Patingin nga. Oh.
O pareho lang. Pareho lang ng konti. Pareho lang ng konti. So panalo si Dane.
Panalo.
Okay guys, ang second game namin ay match the color or match the perfume. Ready? Go! Yan lang?
Yeah.
Hindi mo na babaguhin.
Of course not. What do you
Okay.
mean? I only get one.
Ang tama mo is
Pakita mo na sa
yellow. Okay.
kanya.
So yellow. And that's it. Just yellow. Okay? Jay's turn. Go.
Yeah.
Okay. Correct is purple and green.
Oh!
Yay! You won. Nanalo ka,
Pwede ba na
honey.
makita?
Yep. Okay.
Ay, tama na yung yellow.
Ang third game namin ay still match the color or the perfume pero in a different way.
Rock, scissors.
Okay.
Okay, here.
Okay, first.
One correct. Two correct.
Ako ulit. Ikaw.
No, it's me.
One correct. Three correct.
Huh? Mom, 2 moves ago, we had the same one, and then you said 2 correct.
Oh, sorry. Three correct kanina. Three correct. Four correct.
Whoa, wait. It's
Wait.
my go. It's my go.
Correct ako eh.
It's my go.
Okay.
Two correct.
Paano nangyari yun? Kanina 4 correct na. Tapos ito lang ang ginalaw namin.
Ewan ko sa inyo.
Oh. Oh.
Four correct.
That is my go. What are you doing? What?
Correct. 6 correct. Nanalo si Dane. So guys, mag-stop muna kami ng aming games dahil magbe-bless muna kami ng aming house. Ito guys yung gamit namin. Holy water, tapos meron akong alkansya. Ayan. And ito, ayan. Actually, sira na nga siya. Tatlo
Naputol
siya
na,
dati. Ayan. Hi guys, tapos na kaming mag-bless ng bahay at naghihintay kami ng countdown ngayon.
3 minutes to go.
Goodbye 2025! Thank you for all the blessings!
10.
Shit, 10!
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Ate!
Happy New Year! Happy
Happy
New
New
Year!
Happy New Year, Nene! Happy New Year, everyone!
Happy New Year!
Si Nene
What's it there?
kumakain ng grapes.
Mamaya mag-music na yan. So,
Okay guys, manonood muna kami ng
come on!
manonood muna kami ng fireworks and okay, ang fourth game namin ay Best Actor Award. Meaning, kung sino ang unang lumuha. Or kahit teary-eye lang, basta siya ang panalo.
That's so funny. That's good.
Serious, I'm serious, Aldan J. Talo ka na pag hindi ka nagseryoso.
I win then.
Bakit?
Hindi ka naman lumuha eh. Kung sino
Mahirap
unang...
umiyak eh.
Paano ka iiyak? Eh, tumatawa ka. Serious.
Talo na ako.
Okay, ang fifth game namin ay Eat the Coin. Go! Oops!
Hey. Where'd it go? Where did mine go?
What is it?
Galingan nyo naman!
Oh.
Yes!
Okay, manalo si Dave.
Come on.
Okay, ang next game namin ay Banana Eating Contest. At ako and si Dane ang maglalaro. Ano ba yan?
Come on, let's go, let's go. Dapat ngunguya maigi, ha? Ngunguya maigi. Sige. Tapos, pag wala nang laman yung bibig, sasabihin nyo yung pangalan nyo. Okay? Sasabihin nyo yung pangalan mo. Pwede.
Dave.
Okay, ang next game and last game namin ay Guess the Word. And ako magpapahula. Yan. Ay, hulaan nyo! Nangalan! Beginning!
Beginning.
Beginning?
Tama.
Wow, I said it first. Say so.
Ayan, ha. Kasi na nga nakakatatlo.
Sige.
Okay.
Next.
Nasarere.
What?
Nasarere.
Sincerity.
Prosperity.
Tama. Ano na yan?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Happy New Year! Mahusay.
Happy New Year! Anala si Dende!
Kiss, honey. Kiss.